painful fact is that should the High Command decide to minimize and downplay the offense by Duduzile Zuma and keep her in the leadership structures and keep her in the forefront on the basis of fake and arrogant apology, fact of the matter is that we will have to kiss MK goodbye. That's a reality. We will have to kiss MK goodbye. I'm saying this because MK party is not followed, supported, and chosen by the kids. The membership of MK party, it is political seniors, the majority thereof, is political seniors who are loyal to the liberation of black oppressed, who have suffered for this struggle, whose brothers, sisters, mothers and fathers died in the struggle. MK party is made of the black oppressed people who really have strong hope and desire to be emancipated, who have put all their weight and belief in the MK party. They've ignored the voice in mainstream media that MK party is a Zuma Stokvel. They've ignored the voice that MK party is the Zulu party because of belief and trust in Jacob Zuma and all other senior leaders on top there in the MK. Sparing Duduzile Zuma, we have everything to lose from that action. We'll lose trust, we'll lose belief, and there'll be confirmation of all these bad things about MK party. But asking Duduzile Zuma to step down, to sit down, to stand down, we have nothing to lose. She has never been there because of any known political credentials. We just believed that we need to take care of her because she's a daughter of our revolutionary. And we believed that she will be able to share some of the skills and abilities, values and attitudes that Jacob Zuma represents. We wanted to see her growing in politics. We wanted to see her standing tall should the nature take her father. We believed that she has been well groomed by that amazing, extraordinary, rarely and scarcely available type of a leader in Jacob Zuma. She has disappointed us. So our plea to the High Command, please don't destroy MK party by sparing Duduzile Zuma, who has offended at the highest level. Nobody does what she has done, even in the ANC, in the EFF. Nobody has done this to Floyd ever. Not because he's God, but because he's a loyal revolutionary and a member of MK party. That attack was clear demonstration that Duduzile Zuma indeed believes that MK party is belonging to his family, to her family. Even the apology is a confirmation that this is someone who's not feeling a remorse inside and someone who's not capable of respecting Floyd ever again. And by extension, is someone who's respecting no one around her because she thinks that whoever who's saluting his father, her father, is a subject of the Zuma family. And it's not so. We are in the MKP because we are revolutionaries. We are not Zuma loyalists. We are not Zuma family garden boys or Tata Lapa Bega Lapa kind of people. We are there for Zuma only because of the credentials he has, the loyalty, the discipline, the determination he has showed us as the black oppressed class, that he is for black people. We shouldn't now be taking a burden of the kids of our revolutionary who are now coming with serious arrogance and lack of respect and lack of understanding required discipline in the MK party. MK party is followed by soldiers, is supported by soldiers. None of those MK soldiers there have misbehaved in this manner. They are quiet, they're disciplined as if they're not even part of the movement. You only see them in the rallies that they are there. But they're as quiet and disciplined in a way you've never seen. While we, who have not gone to the forest, who have not gone to exile, are busy talking and doing all these things. They are respecting us. To have Floyd living his comfort, tribally and otherwise, and position-wise, coming to help the movement move forward, then have Duduzile Zuma, that we love so dearly, under one condition: she's a daughter of our revolutionary. We are still going to learn more about her. We don't know much. Attacking Floyd like that. So our plea is one plea. Commander Jacob Zuma, since I started following and supporting you, I think for the past 24 years, I never spoken like someone who's instructing you. I think it's the first time I'm doing this. Do the right thing, sir. Ask your daughter to stand down. Because if she doesn't, we will have to kiss MK party goodbye. This party is not for this Mickey Mouse drunken kind of people. It's a party supported by the very serious people. Seniors, kings. Snama chief lapa. We have stalwarts in the MK party. We have revolutionaries who couldn't tolerate nonsense in the ANC. And they left ANC even though we love it so much. We had to leave it because the ANC has abandoned the aspirations of our revolution. We had to leave it crying because we love ANC, we grew in the ANC, we believed in the ANC. But we have to leave it because it was now abandoning the key pillars of our revolution. We came to the MK party. Don't think that in the MK party will tolerate any nonsense such as this one. That's why I'm saying failure to deal with Duduzile Zuma decisively will result to us having to kiss MK goodbye. So I want to plead with the High Command. Do not play down the offense by Duduzile Zuma. And from this speech, we will be giving you time. We'll keep quiet. But we're watching you. We're watching what decision you are taking. And we are saying, please save MK party by asking Duduzile Zuma to stand down.